Hello everyone, in front of you is the table. Today I will use some of our new material to make a very simple table decoration. First of all, let's take a white fabric, just a fabric, and let's put it on the table. Look, just a very normal fabric to make a table cover. Okay, now let's make the table runner. And then I will use our new material, the wrinkle fabric, to make the table runner. The detail about our new material, you can check my old tutorial. Find the link from the information field below this video will be okay. Compare with our normal ghost fabric. Look, not wrinkle. And this is our new wrinkle fabric. Let's check the difference. Look, this is our new material, wrinkle fabric, and this just a normal welt. Can you see the difference? This price is much more expensive than this normal fabric. Actually, let's check the effect. What do you think? Considering the price, I think I will pick this normal fabric. What do you think? Okay, I put two fabric on the middle of the table, half by using this normal fabric, and half by using our wrinkle fabric. Okay, and then let's put our leaf wire on the runner. Since they are iron wire inside, so we can bend to adjust the shape of the leaf. Okay, then put on our new candle holder. The detail or the quality check video of our new material, you can check my old video. The link on the description below this video. Okay, then put on our plank. This plank is very hot. This is made of glasses, and there's another product made of plastic. But if you want to cut the budget, you can use the plastic. Anyway, let's put on our plank. Our table not large enough, so I think the compound will be not good. Okay, then our tableware. I don't know how to arrange this thing. And then put our glass. The glass very beautiful. I like them, but I don't sell them. Okay, look, the setting completed. Now let's check the effect. The candle holder is the very top. If you don't like it, you can buy some shorter. But if you use it as a head table, using the long table, the top table holder, the come out will be much more better. Okay, let's check in detail. Look, so can you find the difference of the wrinkle fabric, the expensive one and the cheap one? There are no much difference after set up everything. So if I want to cut cost, I will pick the normal fabric, will be okay. Okay, let's check our design. Okay, look, this is today's idea. Very simple and will not cost a lot. Hope you like it. Thank you for your watching. Bye.